video is to review polynomial long division. So we want to solve x to the fourth minus 5x to the third plus 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 3. So we set up the long division just like all the fourth grader does. I left a space over here because you're supposed to have 0x squared here, but we usually don't write that down. So leave it there. It's kind of like a place value. So we have x minus 3. Now you look at this times what gives you x to the fourth. X times what is x to the fourth? That goes here, which is x to the third power. Now you look at x to the third, you're going to distribute x to the third times x, which gives us x to the fourth times minus 3 times x to the third, which gives us minus 3x to the third. Now we're going to subtract. Then we will get negative 3x to the fourth minus x to the fourth gives us 0. Negative 5x cubed plus 3x cubed will give us negative 2x to the third plus 0. Right? You drop it, right? So now you look at minus 2x to the third and x, and think about x times what gives you negative 2x to the third. So x times what is negative 2x to the third? Of course it's negative 2x to the second. So that's, once you get that, you multiply it by negative 2x squared times x, which is negative 2x to the third, minus 3 times negative 2x squared will give us plus 6x squared. And then subtract it. That means change all the signs. Then you get negative 2x cubed plus 2x cubed cancels out. 0 minus 6x squared will give us negative 6x squared. Drop the 3x. Now again you think about x times what gives you negative 6x squared. So x times what gives you negative 6x squared. That should be negative 6x. Now negative 6x times x gives us negative 6x squared. Minus 3 times negative 6x will give us positive 18x. Now you're going to subtract. So we'll have negative 15x. Drop minus 1. Now you think about negative 15x times what gives you x. So x times what is negative 15x. Of course it's negative 15, so it will be negative 15x times minus 3 times negative 15 will give us positive 45. Subtract them, you get negative 46. So x to the fourth minus 5x to the third plus 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 3 is the quotient, which is these guys, x to the third minus 2x squared minus 6x minus 15, and the remainder of negative 46.